na bendi ya chuo chetu cha mafunzo ya polisi kule Kiganjo.
On our part, we will give every support we can to the police in their mission to serve and protect Kenyans. And that is why we've provided the police service with more and better vehicles, both ordinary and specialized. That is why my administration has further modernized the air and marine units. And that is why I promise to commit more resources on the police modernization program. As a government, we acknowledge that behind a machine, there must be a motivated operator. And it is for this reason that we shall continue to improve the terms and conditions of service as well as housing. Our officers today have been provided with comprehensive medical group life insurance covers. I believe these, too, have brought peace of mind to the officers and their families who might have once have worried about medical expenses or loss of income suffered in the course of serving our country. You have been given the very best that the country has to offer. You have been trained, and without doubt you have been prepared. Go now and serve with all your heart the country that has given you so much.